substitute the main equation for van der Waals equation like this. Okay. So this is very important. What about the drawback of the van der Waals equation? So what is the critical phenomena, critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volume? So yesterday we discussed for example, water system. Water is the one component system. There are the three phases, solid to liquid water board. This is also melting point, liquid to vapor water board vaporization, and solid to vapor means water board sublimation. There are the three type of equilibrium, three triple point also. Sorry, 3.3 equilibrium. So three phase, once water, liquid room temperature, liquid state, and again this temperature we are reduces means sublimation, freezing point curve. The water we keep it with the freezer means completely converted to solid. This is sublimation. Further we are getting solid to converted to vapor. This is what about freezing sublimation curve and freezing point curve. What about the melting point curve? So solid to liquid melting. So there are the three phases, only one component. There are three equilibrium. What about this equilibrium between? This is also okay. So critical pressure, critical temperature, and critical volume. What about the critical temperature? Above temperature and below temperature. See what about below temperature? What about and above temperature? This also so liquefaction process. Which one above temperature or below temperature? So one mole of the process substitute the temperature. What about? See all the factor yesterday we will briefly discuss for the see van der Waals equation and some critical phenomena. Okay. So now also intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction. So yesterday for van der Waals equation, what about gaseous molecule? To how to neutralize the force of attraction? How to interactions between the one molecule to another molecule? This is for the rigids we are maintaining. So this is existing of intermolecular approaches. So one molecule approach to another molecule. Okay. So here intermolecular force of attraction is very important for the some type of bond formation. How to making a bond. Okay. So intermolecular force of attraction we know the force hold the molecules together, which can be attractive or repulsive. Depends upon the molecular charges. What about the polar molecule, non-polar molecule? Mostly non-polar molecule also identical atom. See the IR spectroscopy, we are sorry, microwave spectroscopy. For rotational spectra, we discussed for the what about homonuclear, heteronuclear, diatomic molecule or polar and non-polar molecule? Here also what about attractive is the non-polar, sorry, polar molecule. Polar molecule because we separations of the charges, positive, negative. The dipole, permanent dipole movement also possible. This is also microwave active we discussed. Similarly, here also the intermolecular force of attraction, some molecule having attractive, yes, the opposite charges also making a bond formation or sharing of electron, so maintaining the bond. Okay. Here repulsive water same charges do not interact. This is a repulsion together. Okay. So here what is the inter-ionic force? Ionic means some compound also ionic state, ionic bond. For example, sodium chloride. This is crystal. Cesium chloride, sodium chloride, some types of common crystal lattice we discussed. For example, water monoclinic, triclinic, and this orthorhombic. These are different patterns of the crystals also available. Here also ionic. Ionic means what about? This is also ionic bond. After we put this polar solvent directly, sorry, put the polar solvent, this compound will dissociations of the molecule finally getting this corresponding to the ions like Na plus and Cl minus. So here on the other hand, inter-ionic force are force that hold ion together. You see here. This is also holding of the ions like this picture. We look at the picture like this is also what about the force that hold ion together like okay. So the intermolecular force are accountable for the properties of substance like what about moreover intermolecular force also explain why the substance exists as solid, liquid or gaseous at the room temperature. Okay. So this is for the what about types of intermolecular force of attraction. What are the types? See here dispersion. Dispersion means all the molecules. Okay, all these molecules, especially non-polar molecule, all molecule excepting non-polar molecule. Okay, dipole only for the polar molecule. For example, like what about water molecule? See, water molecule dipole interaction. So what about the two hydrogen partially positive and directly bonded to the oxygen molecule? Oxygen having partially negative charges. This is also covalent bond. Oxygen and hydrogen maintaining for the covalent bond. Further, the hydrogen, what about bonded to the another molecules O negative for the partially negative for oxygen molecule. This is for the what about dipole interaction. This bond also weaker. Okay, we will discuss now. What about ion dipole? Ion and polar molecule. For example, sodium chloride dissolve in the water molecule. What about the nature of chemical reaction? And ion means what about cation and anion? Okay, this is also two different forming of ion involved with for these interactions of the attraction. Finally, the hydrogen bond is very important. Hydrogen bond, we know the covalent character. The hydrogens also, see what about bond forming with nitrogen and the halogen, chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. What about the nature of the hydrogen bonding? Okay, so there are the four types of intermolecular attraction. The first three types, what about dipole, ion dipole, dispersion force or London forces. Okay, so the first three types also van der Waals forces. The last one also hydrogen bond is special type, only dipole interaction. Okay, so this is a dipole interaction. The first three cases for the van der Waals nature. This is also what about van der Waals. This is actually described for the intermolecular force of attraction. What about? See here, van der Waals 1873 thesis. The van der Waals noted the non-ideality of real gases and attributed it to the existence of intermolecular interaction. Okay, so you see here this van der Waals. This is a very famous scientist for the physical chemistry, physics. So what about nature of the gaseous molecule in thermodynamic parameters? Briefly describe for the scientists. We are likely received from this chapter because very important for the in this van der Waals. So dipole. First, what about dipole? For example, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen having what about positive, partially positive. Here also first positive, negative. See here also what about the sharing of electron between the hydrogen and chloride. Further, what about this is also partially positive, partially negative. This is also strong attractions of the bonds between the hydrogen chloride. Okay, hydrogen chloride. So this is strong bond. Okay, further the negative end of the chlorine having the bigger size, the partially negative. See then another hydrogen chloride, hydrogen having what about partially positive. So here hydrogen chlorine natural bond, this is also very stronger. The negative end of chlorine, partially negative, this is interacted to another hydrogen. What about this is very weak force of attraction. Okay, so dipole force or attractive force existing between the polar molecule that exhibit dipole movement, such as hydrogen chlorine. Please, anyone student, are you understanding for this topic? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You see here the hydrogen chloride because there is unequal sharing of electron between hydrogen chloride, not equally sharing, unequal sharing. Okay. So we know the bigger size, this is also smaller, positive, here also negative. The partial positive and the partially negative pole exist are the referred to as the dipole. Okay. This is we discuss with for microwave spectroscopy. What about fluctuation? The rotation, how many rotations possible for the hydrogen chloride? Okay. So this is principal axis of rotation. What about that? The more electronegative atom becomes partially negative. Which one is the more electronegative? Chlorine. And has most electron density because bigger size electron is rich for the chlorine than the hydrogen. Whereas the least electronegativity becomes partially positive, like what about hydrogen, and has the less electron density. This unequal, not equally sharing, unequal sharing of electron. Yes, this is also chlorine outer shell electron sharing with oxygen. Net is unstable. Now, sorry. Thank you for your information, Arusi. Otherwise, I will continue.
No problem, sir.
Yeah. So, which one I finally you are hearing? Which one? One second. One second. This now I will discuss, right? This slide. Hello, Arusi, please.
Yes.
Sir, I can't see the screen. You're
You
not.
see, now I shared, right? This is PPT is visible now.
Yeah, sir, visible.
Yeah, visible. Last which one we discussed? Like this is the four type of intermolecular force. Okay, this we dipole. Anyone?
Yes, sir. That's only. Yes, sir. That's only.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now still like this, right? Now ion dipole force, right? See, another one, this first one is a dipole-dipole interaction for the hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen chloride, see, this is ionic bond and the hydrogen bond. See, compared to what about the negative end of chlorine having here in not carbon, this is a mistake here, chlorine. So chlorine is the negative part of whatever partially negative carrier, and another hydrogen molecule positive, partially positive. This is maintaining for the bond formation. This is weaker than the hydrogen chloride molecule. Okay, so this is